Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're excited to present what can only be described as the best cowgirl hat for little girls. The light-up pink cowgirl hat. This fabulous accessory is perfect for dress-up, costume parties, or just adding a bit of sparkle to your child's day. This isn't just any ordinary cowgirl hat. It comes as a pack of 2, making it perfect for siblings or friends who want to share in the fun. Each hat is designed to fit most children comfortably, thanks to an adjustable drawstring. You won't have to worry about it slipping off during playtime. The dimensions of the hat are 14 inches in length, 10 inches in width, and 4.5 inches high, with inside dimensions measuring 6 by 7 inches. It's a size that really works well for little cowgirls. Now let's talk about what truly sets this hat apart, the dazzling sequin trim. It sparkles beautifully, making every little girl feel like a true princess. And let's not forget the built-in blinking tiara. This hat lights up, adding a magical touch to any outfit. Imagine your child's delight when they put this on for the first time. It's crafted from felt, making it lightweight and comfortable to wear for extended periods. The care instructions are simple. Just hand wash it, and it's good as new. And with the light-up feature, it truly shines during parties or festive events, ensuring your child stands out. Whether it's for a birthday party, Halloween, or simply a fun day at home, the light-up pink cowgirl hat adds the perfect finishing touch to any costume. It encourages imaginative play, allowing your child to step into the role of their favorite cowgirl or princess. Plus, with 2 hats in each pack, you can double the fun. Available for just $14.99, you're saving a whopping $10 off the original price. This 40% discount makes it not only a fantastic addition to your child's wardrobe but also a budget-friendly option for parents. And remember, this product is sourced from a small business, so when you purchase it, you're supporting a family-run enterprise that values quality and customer satisfaction. So, if you're looking for the best cowgirl hat for your little ones, look no further than the light-up pink cowgirl hat. It's fun, stylish, and filled with personality. Don't forget to check the link in the description to grab your set today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews on amazing products. Until next time, happy shopping and may your little cowgirls shine bright.